Welcome to MMC English Hub, your English, your growth.
Here, you learn English in a simple, clear, and real-life way.
Let's learn together and grow every day. Hey Mark, welcome back. Quick question for our learners today. Winter activity of choice, ice skating or hot coffee?
Hot coffee watching people ice skate, for sure. How about you, Mia?
I try skating once every winter, and I forget how hard it is every single time. How about you, learners? Be honest.
Perfect topic for today, then. Something very practical.
Hello, dear learners. I'm Mia, your practical English coach. Welcome back to Christmas Journey by MMC English Hub, a holiday podcast series where you learn real American English through everyday seasonal moments.
And I'm Mark, International ESL Mentor. In this episode, you'll learn how to ask for directions, clearly, politely, and with confidence.
Stay with us till the end. We'll practice together, just like in a real English class, so you can actually use this outside. Now let's listen to a real-life conversation between Anna and Chris.
Learners, pay attention to how directions are asked. Simple, calm, and natural.
Here's the scene.
Excuse me, do you know where the ice rink is?
Yeah, it's not far from here.
Great. How do we get there?
Just walk straight ahead, then turn left at the lights.
Okay. Is it near the main square?
Yes, it's right behind the big Christmas tree.
Perfect. About how long does it take to walk?
Maybe 5 minutes, 10 at most.
That's easy. Thank you so much.
No problem. Enjoy skating.
Look, they finally finished the ice rink. We have to go.
Oh, wow, it looks amazing.
Nice listening, everyone. Now let's slow it down.
Repeat after us when you can. This helps your ears catch how Americans give directions.
Excuse me, do you know where the ice rink is?
Yes, it's not far from here.
How do we get there?
Just walk straight ahead. Then turn left at the lights. All right, let's break down the useful phrases.
These are common expressions Americans use when asking for directions. Phrase 1. Do you know where the ice rink is? A polite and natural way to ask.
Phrase 2. How do we get there? Simple and very common.
Phrase 3. Is it near? Great when you just want to check the location. Mark, say, how do we get there, clearly.
How do we get there?
Your turn, learners. Now, some direction-related vocabulary.
Ice rink. Ice rink. A place for ice skating. Turn left. Turn right. Turn left. Turn right. Change direction. Main square. Main square. The central area in town. Behind. Behind. At the back of something. Mia, say, turn left.
Turn left.
Everyone, repeated twice.
Now let's polish how this sounds.
Listen carefully. Do you know where the ice rink is?
Notice how the voice goes down at the end. Calm, friendly.
And keep your tone soft with excuse me. That small word makes a big difference.
Say the full question once more, relaxed and polite.
Quick reminder, learners, when asking for directions, short sentences are perfect.
Exactly. You don't need long explanations.
Clear questions, calm voice, that's enough. Let's practice together. Step 1, shadowing. I'll say the line, then pause for you. Do you know where the ice rink is?
How do we get there?
Is it near the main square? Step 2, stress and intonation.
Where is the ice rink?
Step 3, role swap. Mark is the local. Learners, you ask the questions like Anna.
In the US, people often give simple directions, not too many details.
If you don't understand, it's okay to ask again or say, could you repeat that? Is asking strangers for directions easy or hard for you? Tell us in the comments.
Here's today's mindset moment.
Proactive confidence. Confidence grows when you ask, not when you wait.
Every time you ask for directions, you practice both courage and English.
One simple question can move you forward, literally and in life.
If you've ever asked for directions in English, type "I asked" below.
Today's key takeaway, ask clearly and don't overthink it.
Use "excuse me," ask one question, and listen calmly. Write one phrase you'll use next time. Final practice time. First, listen only. Second, repeat Anna's lines. Third, try both roles if you're alone or invite a friend to practice with you.
Focus on flow, not perfection.
All right, let's run the full scene one last time. That's today's episode of Christmas Journey by MMC English Hub.
If this lesson helped you, like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Download the free PDF transcript to practice offline.
Tell us in the comments, where would you use this English?
Bye for now. See you in the next episode.
Happy Christmas season! Thanks for learning with MMC English Hub.
Every lesson helps you get better. Master English, master your life.
Like, subscribe, and stay with the journey.
See you in the next video.